Okay, you guys. Okay, so this is another pocket prep, part two, I guess. These are the bigger pockets, the 6-inch pockets. I thought the last video I did was all of the pockets, but those were the small pockets. These are the big pockets, or at least a portion of the big pockets. And yes, this one has been sped up as well. I know it looks like I'm just graceful and everything. Yeah. Again, this is me making these garments from start to finish. I really hope to be able to show you guys my design and illustration process, how I make my concepts for making a garment, flats, stitching, all that stuff. But right now, I'm trying to get started making some things and hopefully selling them. I did get my P.O. boxes I mentioned earlier. P.O. Box 1112, Oakland, California, 94604. I'm going to put that information somewhere on this account, on one of these accounts. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. As a matter of fact, I believe it's already on a couple of them. And I recently opened up my my Shopify account. I'm working on it now. It says it's live, but I have to unblock my password or something like that, so you guys can see it if you're interested in the pieces I make. I'm excited, to be perfectly honest. I don't know why, but I just am. I can't wait to start making more product. Yeah, I'm having a ball creating something I've always wanted to do for myself. Unfortunately, I still have to pay rent and eat, so our instructors would tell us in school, just because you think something is outstanding and fire doesn't mean everyone else is. So I get it, but I'm still having fun making the product though. So yeah, whatever I make, and you will see all my mistakes and the whole process. So this video is about 6 minutes long and we're about halfway through. Yeah. See? Mistake. It's like a piece of the end was caught up under. So I needed to take it off and correct it. Mistakes happen. I love this machine so much. I can't wait to get a base on there so it doesn't slide around. And I'm doing all this, as you can see, with no base. When I get a base, I'm going to act a stone cold nut. The pieces aren't perfect. The technique isn't perfect, but it's getting there. I want to start my my next batch, which will be a white jersey. This one's is red. But the back of the jersey is flocked. The back of this jersey has loops in it. I have not decided on the contrast fabric. I have a batik, and I have some African print. I have some more tartan or plaids. I don't know which one, but it's going to be white, and then it's going to be in a contrasting fabric. And I hope to get 3, maybe 4 of those, hopefully. So stay tuned. Subscribe, like, your comments. Be nice. let me know what you think. Give me your honest opinion. Yeah. And I will see you guys in the next video.